Hello, welcome to another video today. Today I would like to show you some of the handcuffs in my collection, and that's also what I am wearing for this special presentation, handcuffs myself. First of all, what I like most is the classic models, like the Smith & Wessels 100, 101. This is the Smith & Wesson 100-1 in the Red bodies. And actually that is the same as what I often copied, so you can get them the same model, but from the Chinese for half price. There is, as you can see, a little bit of difference in quality. The originals are a little bit more massive than the copies. What you also see is that the original is rather made and the Chinese is a little bit shiny. That's not a flaw. The Smith & Wesson does not polish them, because if they are polished, they may slip out of your hand, and that may be inconvenient for police or whatever is using them. So that's not a flaw. Another model by Smith & Wesson is the 110. As you can see, they are a lot bigger than the Handcuffs series. They can also be used for food chain, but also very big wrist. Actually, there are food chains with a very short connection chain. So far, these are all with connections, but you also have models with a hinge, like this one. Of course, these are much more, this is a Bono brand. Of course, they are very much more restrictive than the ones with a chain. I can here still move relatively free around, but with these it would not be possible. You would put on these in such a way that your hands are like that. You cannot bring them together anymore, so it makes them much more restrictive and much more difficult to get off, of course. Well, handcuffs normally have a ratchet mechanism. You can push them in, but not out. Well, you need the key to unlock the ratchet mechanism so that you can open them. On most decent handcuffs, you also have a double lock mechanism, which means that you can secure the handcuffs. In the picture I show, it's like in these Chinese copies. So now you can now simply move them in and out. If you apply here, there you see, if you apply the now, they use almost the same as the Smith & Wesson, but they are not the same size. If you put, where is it? Click it, and now it's blocked. That is done so that you don't get injured when you wear them, and it is also done because it makes it more difficult to get them off, because now you first need to do the unlocking by turning the key one way, and then you need to actually open it by keying the key the other way. That also makes it much more difficult if you want to pick the lock with, say, a paper clip or something, and to try to get it open. You need first to put off the one and then the other to actually get it open. Apart from that, they make it difficult to pick them, because, first of all, they normally have only on one side a keyhole. And even if you have the key, the way I am wearing them now, it would be easy to unlock them here, but there is no keyhole, as you can see. So I have to turn around and to insert it there, and that makes it a lot more difficult to open. And especially if it is not a key but something like a paper clip and you have to fiddle around, makes it very, very difficult. There are exceptions to that. The brand, for instance, has a keyhole on both sides, but the brand has another feature. As you see, this is the brand key, this is the Smith & Wesson key. The brand key has two beards. The locking ball of a brand is cut into two pieces, and you can see that here, if I can show that. See? You can see there are two separate parts, and you need to push both upwards to unlock. So it's not going to work with one paper clip. You will never open them. Apart from the fact that you are tied up like that, and you are not going to reach the keyhole anyway. But with some models it will work to pick them with a paper clip if you have enough time. And yeah. If you want to be really safe, then you can use something like this. These are handcuffs, and they use two locks, as you can see. That's one on the front and one on the side. They also come with two different keys. You can close them with the normal way, you can always close them. And if you want to double lock them, then you have to use the key. You lock them. Now they are double locked. If you want to open them, you need this key first to open the double lock, and then you need the other key to actually open the handcuff like that. So it's very secure, but it also means that you need two locks, you need two keys. That is of course more difficult and more expensive to make. The officer who is handling this has to apply two keys. It's difficult. That is with the Smith & Wessons, you only need one key. This is for the double lock. Slit. Now it's locked. And you can open with one key, turning it one way, turning it the other way, and open. At least you only need one key, but it is still two actions that you have to perform. If you take the military and police, and that is one of the reasons I'm fond of them, you can do that quite easily. There is a little lever here. See, that one? And you simply push that. Now they are blocked. So, and then you open them in the normal way, one way and the other way. So, this is a question of putting them on, pushing the lever, that's it. You don't need to fiddle around with keys or whatever, at least not to close them. So they are very easy to use actually, to apply. Another feature is that the locks are rather small, as you can see. Yes, and the key is, as you also can see, is hollow. So it's also very difficult to get anything like a pin in to manipulate with the knob. It's not completely impossible, but it's difficult. What else? Something else you could do to open handcuffs is insert a little plastic band between the ratchet and the frame. So actually you insert that here, and you push that in, and by doing so you can push down the ratchet and open the handcuff. It will only work if there is enough place between the frame and the ratchet so that you actually can put something in, and it will only work if there are not other lot. And since that is normally the case, I guess in a practical sense, it's not really going to help you to get them open. Well, what else? Well, there are also models that are even more restrictive than this. I don't have one here at this moment. And then they are completely in one piece, cannot be moved at all. It's even more restrictive, of course. But I don't have one here. I can't show you. Well, for the rest, I think I showed you a little bit about a few items in my collection, how they work, what is the thought behind a few things, how to do things, a little bit about the mechanism, different kinds. I hope it was interesting, and if there is anything, any questions, any remarks or something like that, please feel free in the section below. I will try to answer, and yeah, basically that's it. The video is long enough as it is already. I thank you for watching, and I say goodbye and see you next time.